Now, it's a landmark bill that's supposed to change the face of education in India, but the disabled have found no place in the Right to Education bill. Aanchal Vora has this report on their protest.
The government has disappointed them once again. The disabled have found no incentive in the government's historic Right to Education bill.
Which means, in effect, that the whole Right to Education bill, which is for every child in this country, in a way is excluding the child with disability.
A team of activists met the HRD minister early this morning, urging that the bill be presented at a later date in the Lok Sabha, where once it's passed on Monday, it will become a law. They want the government to delay and add provisions that will ensure inclusive education to the 20 million disabled children of the country.
I'm sorry, I'm not going to delay the bill on this count.
It is one of the saddest and one of the worst days of my life. I mean, I have spent...
The ministry has retained provisions of the old Disability Act in the bill. Provisions that activists say are totally outdated. They need new provisions in this new bill. Getting into a discussion at this moment, the government feels would further delay the bill, resulting into denial of opportunities that this can bring for a lot of children of this country. The activists, though, say a little wait is fine, but think of all the children by being more inclusive.
I would like to ask the government one thing, whether these children have a right to life or not. Then they definitely have the other rights as well.
A gap in an otherwise progressive legislation, will it be rectified? In New Delhi, Aanchal Vora for NDTV.
Tuba.com